Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show your old stories or your archive stories on your Telegram profile. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! In social media and messenger, stories have already become an integral part and are encountered more frequently. Stories provide users with the opportunity to share moments, news, and everyday events in a format that combines image, videos, and text. On my previous video, when you create story on your Telegram, the story will be appear for 24 hours. So after that, your story will be stored to your archive story and to your profile on your Telegram profile. On my previous video, I've shown you how to hide the archive or old stories from your Telegram profile. But now, what if you want to show it to public? You want to, if there is someone visit your profile on Telegram, they can see your archive story. It's so simple. So first, we can open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, up left corner on the three lines over here. Tap on my profile. So as you can see, there's no post on my profile. You can go to archive posts in here. So here's your old stories on your profile that only you can see archive stories unless you choose to post them to your profile. So now you can choose on the story that you want to post to your profile, like this one for example. Tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. There is an option post to profile. You can just tap on that. So it will appear on your profile like this. We'll do the same thing for this one. So anyone who visit your Telegram profile, they can see your posts in here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to show your old stories, your archive stories to your Telegram profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!